Hello and welcome to Security Cameras and More. In an earlier video, we looked at several different wireless security camera system configurations. In this video, we're going to take a much more detailed look at the first configuration we looked at, which is a wireless camera and receiver only. And as you can see here, we talked about some of the examples of this configuration, as well as some of the advantages and disadvantages. But let's take a closer look at this. So in the first configuration, wireless camera and receiver only, you're going to start with a camera. Like any security camera system, obviously there's going to be a camera. And this is going to be mounted to a wall or a ceiling, and you're going to have power to it, because wireless cameras need power. They're typically not battery operated. But with a wireless camera in this configuration, you're going to have a built-in transmitter in this camera. And you'll know it's built in because there'll be an antenna sticking out of the camera. So the transmitter is built right into the housing of the camera. Now over here, let's just say there's a building here, and inside this building you're going to have a receiver. And the receiver is just a box like this, and this is going to have an antenna, and the receiver also needs to have power. So what happens is this camera is mounted over here, and it's going to transmit this video signal over to this receiver. It's going to go through the wall. It's going to go right to the receiver. Now in this configuration, this is all the equipment you'll get. So what makes this useful is if you have a DVR sitting here, or maybe a monitor. Okay, not the best drawer, but you'll get the idea. Okay, now this might be like a 4 or 8 channel DVR that has an open channel in it. So you might have other wired cameras attached to this DVR. Well, you can take an open channel and attach this receiver to it, and you have a wireless camera on this DVR that has other wired cameras. So it's a great solution for someone who needs to have a wireless camera. They can't get a wired camera to some location, and they can use an open channel in that DVR. And this DVR is probably connected to this monitor. You can also connect this receiver right to the monitor if you wanted to. So again, this is a good solution if you have a wired system and you need to just have one wireless camera out, let's say in a barn or an outbuilding or on a post somewhere that you can't run a cable to. So I hope that this was helpful. Hope it clarifies some things, and maybe this is a solution for you. Thanks for listening.